Now the set concept. Now in English you say a group of students, bunch of flowers, pack of cards. You say a collection, that is collective noun. Same thing, the collective noun in maths is known as set. Now you might wonder why you study collective nouns in maths. Now, you have to make a set, you have to make a collection, and you have to make inference from it. You have to learn it. Slowly you'll know what benefits, what use it has in maths. So here, a set is a collection of well-defined object, things or symbols. Whatever the objects, that group should be formed. Things, group should be formed. Symbols, group should be formed. Now, if I say a number of boys, tall boys in class 10th, then it is not well defined because you don't know what you have to take as tall and what you have to take as short. So, but if I say the boy is taller than Peter, that group of boys who are taller than Peter, that forms a group. So I know definite number of students, the names that these boys are taller than Peter. Maybe 5, maybe 10, but they form a set. They form a group. So now I know these are the boys taller than Peter, and taller boys, maybe I want it for basketball or whatever. But I know a set is form of the tall boys taller than the Peter. Now here, what are the elements of set? The objects, things, symbol used to form a set are called the elements of set. Now here you can see these elements 5, 10, 12, 15. This is set A. I just name it as set A. So whatever set of boys taller than Peter or whatever it can be, but for simplicity, set A. Which are the elements in set A? 5, 10, 12, 15. These are the elements in set A. Now what symbol we will be using is this symbol like E will be using to denote that these are the elements of this set. And if they are not the elements of this set, then you put a stroke, not element. So this is a set, 5 belongs to A. This is the set A. So 5 belongs to set A. I'll be writing like this. 10 belongs to A. 12 belongs to A, 15 belongs to A. So I'll be denoting this way, but 6 is not the member of this group, this set. So I'll put a stroke to this to show 6 is not the member of this set. So your set is written in the curly brackets to show that these are the members of this set inside the curly bracket. Now, you can write the sets have to be the elements, the members have to be there inside the curly bracket. But if I write 15 or 5, 10, 12, I jumble up, that does not make the set wrong. It can be in any form, but those elements should be present inside the set. So this set 5, 10, 12, 15, I can write 15, 10, 12, 5 or 5, 12, 10, 15. Any way I can jumble them. It does not make the set wrong. Now if there is a repetition of the elements, for example the word crook. The word crook has got 2 O. Word crook has got CROOK. Now I have to make the set which has got letter from the crook. So C is there? Yes, C is there. R is there? Yes, R is there. O is repeated 2 times. O, I just have to write once. I did not repeat the elements in the set because these are the letters which are present in this word crook. So it is C R O O. I have to write only once. K. So this is how you write the set. This is how you represent the elements of the set. And when you have to say that this particular element belongs to that set, you put this symbol. And when you have to denote that it is not the element of the set, then you put a stroke that it does not belong to that set. So set is a collection of the object in symbol. It is just a collective noun that is set, which is represented in maths this way. Inside the curly brackets, the elements are written. They show the symbol that these elements belong to the set. They can be jumbled, but should not be repeated. Now the representation of a set. How the set is represented. Now you can see there are 3 methods by which it can be represented. Now the first one is description. You fully describe in words. What is the set about? Whether the set about the tall boys, short boys, or boys in 10th class, whatever, the description has to be given. Here let us stick to the numbers. So your description, n is the set of natural numbers. This is, you have described that this is a set. You are describing the set. The set is a natural number. N is the set. And this is the symbol for the set. N is a set of natural numbers. So whatever the natural numbers, they are there in the set. Now next method is tabular or roster method. Here you tell about the set. You write the set, which are the elements of the set. You have to write it in the curly bracket. N is the set, equal to, you put in the curly bracket and you write the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, ... shows that it goes on, the natural number goes on. So here in tabular or roster method, you write in curly brackets the elements by putting a comma in between. You put the comma in between and you write the elements, and the dash shows that it goes on. So this is tabular or roster method, where you have to write the elements, put the comma and put the curly bracket. Now set builder or rule method. Now in that, n you have to show this way, x. Now 2 dots shows that it belongs to. This shows that such that x is such that. This 2 dots shows that such that x is such that x is a natural number. X is a natural number. So this is the set builder, or you can call rule method, because a rule is set here. X is such that x is a natural number. So another way is x. You put in curly bracket. X is such that x belongs to n. N is the natural number. So you can call it as set builder or rule method. A rule is set, so you can write this way also. N is x. Inside the curly bracket you have to write x is such that x is a natural number, or you put a curly bracket and write like this, x 2 dot, that is such that x belongs to natural number. So this is how a set is represented in these 3 methods. It's very simple. Hope you have followed this. Now express each of the given set as required. Now you have to express. First one, the set of integers between -3 and 5 in roster method or tabular method. Roster and tabular same. So what you have to write is the set of integers. Set number 1, you have the set of integers. Now it's not just integers, it's the integer between -3 and 5. You know, integers are -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can draw a number line. Here it is 0, here -1, -2, -3. Here 1, 2, 3. So on this number line, these are the integers. Here negative 0, 1, 2, 3. Here asked is between -3 and 5. So you don't have to include -3. In between is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 5. So 4 also will be included. This -2 till 4 are the integers which are in between -3 and 5. So now here the integers. Roster method, you have to put the curly brackets. Now in curly brackets, you don't have to put -3. You have to put -2. You have to put -1. You have to put 0. You have to put 1. You have to put 2. You have to put 3. You have to put 4 and close the curly bracket. So the set of integers between -3 and 5 in roster method or tabular method is this integers, that is equal to, and curly bracket, and the members which are there, the elements which are there, you have to put comma. So it is -2 after minus this many are the integers between -3 and 5. So it starts with -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Because it is in between 5. You don't have to include 5. So leave 5, leave -3, whichever are there in between, you write the integers. So this is the way it has to be written in the roster form. So this is in roster form or tabular form. It's the same thing. Roster and tabular, they are the same thing. This is represented in the roster form or tabular form. This is the answer. Now same way, next, the set of even natural number. Even natural number. You know that natural number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It goes on is the natural number. But here it is asked the set of even natural number. It has to be even. Means you have to leave out the odd. So let's see how you can write the natural numbers. The second sum, the natural numbers is equal to. Again, it has to be written in roster form. What you have to do? Put curly brackets. In curly brackets, what you have to write? The natural numbers. Now, natural numbers starts with 1. But 1 is not an even number. So you start with 2. 3 is not an even number. So you write 4. 5 is not an even number. So you write 6. 7 is not an even number. So you write 8. 9 is not an even number. So you write 10. It goes on. So now you have this natural number which are even natural number written in roster or tabular form. So now the question was to write in roster form, which is written this way. the natural numbers, curly brackets, the members are written, but you should know what are natural numbers, what are integers, whole number to write the answer correctly. Now, even if you know what is natural number, you should read that it's a even natural number. In exam, if you haven't read even, you just write the natural number, then you get wrong. Here the set of even number. So you have to write only even numbers in curly brackets with comma. So this is natural number, even number in roster form. So we have done second sum. Now it is third. Third, it is given in roster form. It is given in roster form. You have to write in set builder form. Now you have to read it very carefully to write it in the set builder form or rule method. Set builder or rule method is same. So now here it is set A, which is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now you looking at it, you can see it is natural number. It is natural number, but they are not, evens are not included. Only odd ones are there, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So in this set builder form, you have to write that it's the natural number. Natural number which is x. X is such that. X is such that the x belongs to the natural number. X belongs to natural number. This sign, two dots, meaning is x is such that. So the moment you see natural number, you know natural number, but here the natural number is odd. So you can't write this natural number, or you can write in bracket odd number, or you have to write natural numbers which are x belongs to natural number which are odd, So, and put the curly bracket. So here the set A. The set is A, which has got natural numbers. It is x such that x belongs to natural number which are odd, which are not even. You have to exclude the even number. So you have to write in set builder form this way. X is such that x is natural number which are odd ones. Now next is set B. Set B, that is 0, 3, 6, 9, 12. Now looking at this, what you find is the numbers which are divisible by 3. You can divide this by 3, you get 1. Divide this by 3, you get 2, 3, 4. All the numbers are, now 0 is not a natural number. So it is the set which is not natural number. It is the whole number. So set B. Set B is such that it is the whole number. It is a whole number equal to, now here x is such. X is such that x belongs to the whole number. Now in whole number, it is divisible whole numbers divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. So here it is whole number. X is such that x belongs to the whole number divisible by 3. So this is the set builder form, written in the set builder form. Whatever the question, you can see this is the roster method you have converted into set builder form. Now fifth sum. Set C. Look at it carefully. You have to do some calculation here. Set C here is such that. Now again put in curly bracket. This is, you have to put in roster form. That is, you have to do the calculation. It is given in the set builder form. This is given in the set builder form and you have to convert it into roster form. So here set C is such that y belongs to. Now it is 2x plus 1. So now x can be 1. It's a natural number. It starts with 1, 2, 3, 4. So it starts with 1. Now I put x as 1 and write the equation. So first number we get. Now next is this is fifth sum. Next is what? 2 plus 1. This is the equation. Variable is only this x. So this is 1. This 1 number you get, 2 number you get. Let us calculate up till 3. So now 2 is over, you put 3. 3 plus 1. It goes on and on. You complete the curly bracket. Now you write the set as 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. Now 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5. 2 into 3 is 6 plus 1, 7. So calculating it goes on. So this set is the natural numbers. So here you can write it is the natural numbers. Now these are automatically natural numbers. So these are the natural number. You have calculated by putting the x. You put the curly bracket and you write 3, 5, 7 and it goes on. So this is the roster form or tabular form. So you have calculated as asked in the question. You have calculated in the roster form. Now sixth sum. It is given very simply that integers is the set of I is the set of integers. So you know that I you have to write which is the set of integers. Now I you have to write in curly bracket. You know integers negative and positive. Let us start with dot 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 comma minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3 dot 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 close the bracket. So these are the integers. That is, now this is in the form of roster method. It is formed in roster method. Now this is in the form of description method. You have written in roster method. Now I can write in the set builder form. So in set builder form, I is equal to x curly bracket x such that x belongs to integer closed, curly bracket close. Or you can write in the words also, put curly bracket x is such that x is an integer. So here the bracket close. Set builder form you can write in both the ways, such that x belongs to integer, x such that x is an integer here, or you can write in roster method minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3, and here this is set builder form. These two ways are set builder form. It is very easy, just have to write it correctly. Now 7 A is the set of whole numbers. Same way you have to write for whole numbers. Now you know whole numbers is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 goes on. So you have to write that whole numbers. But here it is less than 8. Read carefully. Always read the questions carefully. It is less than 8. So here whole numbers equal to curly bracket. Curly bracket. You are writing in roster form, so the whole number starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, stop, because it has to be less than 8. Cover it by curly bracket. So this is the way you have written in roster form or tabular form. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop, because it is less than 8. Now same way you have to write in set builder form. Set builder form is here you put the curly bracket x. X is such that x is what? Whole number less than 8. X is such that x is whole number less than 8. Put the curly bracket. X such that x is a whole number less than 8. Now you can write this way also. Put curly bracket. X is such that x is whole number. That is, you put the symbol whole number. In whole number, x is less than 8. X is less than 8. Cover with curly bracket. So these two form are the set builder. This is roster or tabular form. That is, you write the numbers, then you write it in set builder form. That is, x is such that x is a whole number less than 8. In words you write, or you write x is such that x belongs to whole number and x is less than 8. Now what is cardinal number? The number of elements in the set is known as cardinal number. So the cardinal number of a set is the number of elements in it. Thus, if a set A has 5 elements, its cardinal number is 5. And we represent it by writing. How to represent the cardinal number? Number of elements in set A. Number of elements in set A is equal to 5. So this is the representation of the cardinal number. That is, the number of elements in set A is equal to 5. Now, if there is a set, take another set B. Now it says that set of even natural number less than 10. Natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it goes on, but here it is given it has to be less than natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is less than 10. And one more thing is given, it has to be even natural number. From 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 goes on natural number. It has to be less than 10. And it should be even. Even is starts from 2, 4, 6, 8. So here the set of even natural numbers less than 10 is 2, 4, 6, 8. And how you represent the cardinal number of this set B is number of elements in the B is equal to 4, because it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 4. Now, I hope you have understood what is cardinal number. It is just the number of elements in the set is the cardinal number. Now, for example, if it is given B is equal to, in curly brackets, 0. It is 0. There's one element in it. So how you represent this? Number of elements in set B is equal to 1. Because there is 0, 1, there is an element in it. You cannot say there is no cardinal number, 0 cardinal number, no. Here, one element is there. So you write number of elements in B is equal to 1 since 0 is the element of set B. So you just have to see how many numbers of elements are present. That is the cardinal number.